Hello, my name is Sandy and welcome to my channel, Dazzling Crochet Trinkets. I went to shopping today and I did something nice for me and something I haven't found. You know that we have here Alize yarn a lot, the acrylics, the cottons, the blend cotton acrylic. And then I stumbled upon Alize Diva that is reducing their production. I was just speaking to the seller of that shop, one of the two yarn shops I have here. So he said that yes, they are waiting for new, I think new colorways, and I don't know what they're doing with this, but they are not discontinuing as I would thought they would. And even on Alize, I see that they are reducing the balls. This is a 100-gram ball that they are not going to do anymore, which is sad. But let me just show you the specs. Alize Diva is fantastic. I love it. It's microfiber acrylic, 100%. And it's 1, 2, 3 weight, they say. I've been using them and working them up with 2.5 millimeter hook, and they work just fine. You can do it with a thinner hook, yes, with 1 or 1.5. Even 0.5 works well with these, but I think 0.5 is too small for this. The colorway blew me away. I mean, the browns, the blues, and it has 100 grams, 350 meters, 3.52 ounces, 383 yards. I mean, I don't know, I love it. I love it so much. So I got 2 of these, and one of them was 3.20 euros. So I didn't calculate in dollars, but it's 3.22 euros per skein. And these are the regular pricings in the shop. And then I found another colorway. I found this one. This is also Alize Diva. And I am in love with this one. I mean, it is green and brownish and grayish and oh god, so lovely. Same specs as the previous one. I also got 2 of these. I couldn't pass out on a on the colorway. Whenever I found Diva, I buy at least 2 skeins because it has a lot of yardage. With the projects that I do not need a lot of yardage, so this is excellent. I'm happy that I have found it. So I have to go on a little bit more walking to find maybe even more colorways. I mean, these two are heaven. I love them so much. Yeah, I'm happy. Also, I've been looking for a purple. Oh my god, on camera it looks like blue. No, but it's deep aubergine purple. Let me try something. No, the lighting wouldn't change, but honestly, girl, this is deep purple. And yeah, it's 49% wool, and the rest is acrylic. So it's 100 grams, 240 meters, 3.53 ounces, and 262 yards. I mean, this is good. It's great. It's not as soft. I don't know if you can hear. Yeah, it has that stiffening agent in it, but it is soft when you wash it. And this is for the spring cowl, the spring throw that Juan the Yarn Addict is doing, and this is going to be the 5th color for the 5th week. So I'm currently on my, oh yeah, this is Alize Lana Gold Classic, and yeah. This one was a little bit more. This one was 3.98 euros. So a little bit expensive for me, maybe not for you. And this is the regular price. So all of these that I bought weren't on any discount or anything. I'm sorry that camera doesn't pick it up. It's such a deep purple. Juan will love it. Aubergine, real aubergine purple. I'm sorry it shows like blue, but that's fine. It's going to be just great. Did I say the specs? Yes, I did. Okay. The next one is also Alize, as you can see, and it's a cotton gold, cotton club. They suggest for the amigurumis, but I'm using this one for the Sophie's Universe I've been doing, since they do not have this color in that cotton I've been using for that. So I'm using this one. Oh yeah, this is 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. They suggest 2 to 4 millimeter hooks. I'm using it with 3.5 for the Soviet Universe. It's 100 grams, 330 meters, 353 ounces, 3.53 ounces, and 361 yards. I mean, yeah, it's nice. It's okay. They don't have the name for the colors. This is going to be very soft when washed, and it's going to go well with the Sophie's Universe that I've been doing. I've been running out of this color, so yeah. The care instructions are okay. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. It can be chemically treated, so yeah. And that's, I just took one because I don't think I need any more to finish the Sophies, but if I do need more, I know where to find them. Cotton Club Alize was the most expensive one. It was €4, and that's the regular price for it. They have few other colors. I haven't seen how many, but yeah, it's a very good cotton. It has a very good stitch definition. It's going to be just fine for Sophie's Universe. Also, I wanted to show you the acrylics that our local company Crochet-Knit from Kraljevo does. I've been on their site. It's crochet-knit.co.rs. I'm not affiliated with it. I just went there, and it's a little bit confusing. Not many information there, and the yarn is 100% acrylic. It's called Snezhana. When I translate that, it's Snow White. So this is the name for this yarn. Snezhana, or Snow White if you want to, Schneewittchen, so if you want to translate it. And it's 100% acrylic. It's wound. You can see like what do you call this, double knit, right? No, DK, no, I'm not sure. They're not saying what it is. It has 400 meters, 200 grams. They suggest number 5 knitting needles. They don't have the hook size here, but I've been working them up with the 4. They are working up just fine. So you can wash it on 40. I think it's hand wash, because, or maybe you can, yeah, you can wash it in a machine. That's just fine. Lay flat to dry, and that's it. It is fine. It doesn't have much of a stretching to it, as you can see, but it is soft. It is acrylic. It's not the premium one, and I was thinking of using this one for the 5th color for the spring kelp, but it's too bright, and I think that when I place them side by side, oh, I'm sorry that you cannot see this one. It's such a beautiful purple. Maybe I'll go with this one. Let's see how it plays when we do the week 5. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna frog it and then do with this one. I tried this because the whole blanket is done with this yarn, with Snezhana. So yeah, that's what I've been doing today. And I'm waiting for 2 packages of ice yarns I have purchased a couple of days ago. And I'm waiting for my sister. I think she just landed today from UK. And I don't know if we are going to see each other today. She has some work to do also. And I have a lot of work. It's waiting me here. So I wanted to just make this video to show you. I keep returning to this one. My God, the colors are awesome. I'm in love with this. I'm not affiliated with Alize. I wish I were, but I love this. It's excellent. Yes, it is microfiber acrylic, but the drape, the feel, it's soft. Yeah, yarn addicts. You can't help them. Okay, guys and girls. So that's enough for today, I think. The rest of my day is going to be spent working. So yeah, I might not even manage to do some crocheting maybe later in the evening. And yeah, I'm preparing a video or two for doing something with polymer clay, making the stitch markers and something like that. But that's for another video. So yeah, well, if you like what I've shown you, subscribe if you haven't, and give me a like or a comment or anything. I mean, whatever, it doesn't count to anything, and the algorithm doesn't even change anything. So whatever you do is just fine. I'm here. So yeah, have a nice day, night, evening, afternoon, wherever you are, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.